Hey, welcome to my new video. This is a kalam again. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can withdraw connection request on LinkedIn. So many people did not accept your invitations and connection request, so you are really interested to withdraw this connection. So simple, just go to LinkedIn app or web. So I'm using on computer, you can use mobile phone. This is the same method. So just click on my network, again click on connection. See 19, you can see 19 people sent me invitation for join her and newsletter and agency, etc profile. And if I click on accept, they and me friend just now. I'm going to my this page sent. How many people I sent connection request? You can see 70 people are already pending me. So you can see if I withdraw my connection request, I just click on withdraw, then again click on withdraw, then again click on scroll down, then click on withdraw. This is simple. So if you have found this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe this channel. See you next video. Take care. Goodbye.